Welcome. Today we're going to show you the best ad blockers to use on Chrome. So, there's actually two ad blockers to use on Chrome, and there's something that I will really recommend at the end. So, the first thing is uBlock Origin. I'll see from here you can just click on Get on Chrome, and I'll see this extension is no longer available. But this extension was actually the best adblock extension on Chrome. So, the next one that you can actually download is ADBLOCKER. As I already installed it, you can just click on install from here and install it on your Chrome browser. So it's not very effective, but you can actually use it. So the best method that you can actually use to avoid ads is to ditch Chrome and not use it at all. And you can just use Brave, I'll see from here. So Brave browser is the best browser to actually not see any ad. So you can just run any YouTube video and now you won't see any ad on your browser. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.